Hi, first graders. Today's three-part drill is just going to focus on the three sounds of ED. We're going to do some practicing with words like that. Okay, so remember, ED has three sounds. It can say id, it can say d, and it can say t. Let's look at how we would write some of those. If I said, show me the id sound, we would write ED says id. I put this little line here to remind myself that this is going to be at the end of a word. We also know that it makes the sound the t sound. So we know T says t and ED says t. The third sound is d. We know D says d and ED says d. Okay, let's write some words with ED. So what we're going to do, I'm going to say the whole word, and then we're going to write the base word and add in the ending ED. Ready? The first word is land. Then we're going to write the word landed. So let's do land. L-A-N-D, land. I want to make the word landed. So I'm going to add ed, says id. Now I have land, id, landed. If I change the first sound to h, now what word do we have? Handed. If I change the first sound to b, now what word do we have? Banded. Let's do the word filled. So I hear the base word fill, fill, f, I, u. Remember, we need that double L. To make the word filled, we're going to add ed. Now we have the word filled. What word do we have? Filled. If I change the beginning sound to now what word do we have? Milled.
Anand, can you please come down to the...
Now we're going to do the word bumped. Bumped. My base word is bump. B-a-m-p. Bump. If I want to make the word bumped, I'm going to add ed, says t. Bumped. If I change the beginning, what if I change it to st? Now we have the word stumped. If I take off that blend, st, and put the cl blend, now we have the word clumped. Let's do the word yanked. Yanked. Yank. Y-ank. Yank. If I want to make the word say yanked, I'm going to add ed, says t. Yanked. Okay, our last word for today is going to be winked. Winked. The base word is wink. W-ink. W-ink. Wink. In order to make the word winked, I'm going to add ed, says t. Now I have the word winked. If I change the beginning sound to ul, now we have the word linked. If I add a s to the beginning, now I have the word slinked.